Hey guys, today we're talking about what it takes to become a data-driven school and how tapping into your school's website and your email communications can help build better informed strategies. So analytics, they really have the power to transform how your marketing and communication teams operate. And so often we have these departmental silos that aren't talking to each other. We hear about that's the way we've always done it. And we keep making these decisions with our marketing and our communications that aren't backed by data. And I love the idea that without data, it's just an opinion. So a data-driven culture really helps create a holistic view of your school and improves that performance across all teams and offices. So if you're hoping to meet admission and enrollment goals, streamline your marketing, assist the IT office, and improve the ROI of some strategic initiatives, tapping into your school data is really going to help with all of those. And that sounds great, but why is it so challenging to get people on board and start making sense of all that data? It's tough, and I think one of the biggest challenges or roadblocks is shifting the mindset of your team to embrace the power of data and to listen to what it's telling you. So here's some ideas to help your team get on board and start embracing data. Experiment with new ideas and make mistakes. With each iteration, your team's gonna better interpret that data and be able to improve your decision making for next time. So work with your team and train them on how to understand and interpret that data. You really want your team to feel empowered on how to read the analytics and understand what all the data is telling you. So if you can lower the bounce rate, if you can increase page views, if you can increase the time spent on page, your team is going to see that those small tweaks and changes can have some big impact. So there's data aware, data informed, and data driven. And not every mindset is going to work for every team. So if you're talking about being a team that is data aware, you're aware that data has the power to transform your strategy, but you're really looking at the larger picture and how data enters into the conversation. Data informed is when your team considers data as one of the important factors in the decision-making process. And having a data-driven mindset is really about letting data drive the conversation and the strategies, and the mindset that all the answers to important questions can be found. And for you and your school's team, it really might be a mix of all three mindsets. So use your school's website analytics to back up those intuitions. Look at your email open rates, the click-through rates, see who's engaging, see who's clicking on what. And when you're trying to create that data-first mindset, getting leadership's help in that is going to make all the difference. It really starts from the top down. And when school leaders can see how that change positively affects their school, there's going to be increased buy-in. So they're going to want to know, what data should we prioritize? How do we get our offices that are siloed to work better? What metrics do we review? And what software and tools do we need? And which data-first mindset is the right strategy? So data really has the potential to produce exceptional results for schools. In school marketing offices and communication offices, it seems like there's an endless flow of metrics and data and analytics just being thrown at you. And there's a lot of numbers to crunch. But I think schools that leverage that data and start interpreting it, they're going to be able to tell better stories. They're going to see how their audience is engaging with the website, how they're reading the email, how they're engaging with communications. And they're going to start to tell stories in a way that resonates with their audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.